Hi guys, it's Isaac here and I'm going to review the new gaming review of the HTC Desire 526G Plus. I got 3 odd games. Let's see how it plays on this game. Check out the gameplay in this HTC Desire 526G Plus. First guys, let me tell you some key features of this phone. It has 1GB of RAM. It has 1.66 GHz of quad-core octa-core processor, which is clocked at 1.66 GHz, and it has a Mali 450 MP4 GPU. So guys, it is an octa-core phone. So let's see how it able to handle the games or not. Okay guys, let's start. Okay, it's not an HD display, but it's perfect for gaming, I would say, at this budget point at 9,500. Okay, but we start with the regular game Asphalt 8. Not a regular game, HD game, but it is regularly used for gaming reviews. Let's see how it able to handle this game. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm playing at the medium default setting, Asphalt 8. Okay, let's select this mode. Okay. It's not an HD screen, let me remind you guys. It's just an 480p resolution normal QHD display. So viewing angles are not that great, but it's good for gaming, I would say. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay guys, I am using the Lamborghini car for racing. Oops. As you can see guys, the graphics are very well. The graphics are actually very good at the 450 GPU MP4 of MediaTek. Okay, it's not an Adorno, it's an Mali MP4 450 MP4 GPU. Guys, let me remind you that it's a pretty heavy game actually. It's almost takes something around 1.7 GB of space in the storage, but storage is not an issue with this phone because it has 16 GB of storage and almost 12 GB available for the user. As you can see guys, no lag or any frame drop so far. Let me drift you and show. Choose some drift. Sorry guys, it's my first review, so I am not using an HD camera for recording. I'm using the sensor mode for playing, not on screen steering or anything. As you can see guys, it runs pretty well, I would say. Oops. Okay guys, the stage is almost finished. Okay guys, let's get out of this game and play 2 more games. Okay, let me reduce the brightness of the phone. Okay, now we will go play the Immortals. Guys, I would say it is the most, this Immortal takes lots of space in the internal memory of the phone. It almost around 2.7 GB. So you can say guys, it's almost like an pretty heavy game like we play in PC. It's almost take 3 GB of space in the internal storage. Okay, let's play some stage. Okay guys, let's see what to let's see if there is any frame drop or any lag while playing this game. Actually, I'm surprised that this game almost takes 2.7 GB space. Okay guys, now let's see the Rock's finisher move. As you can see guys, no lag or any frame drop, and the graphics are really amazing on this game. That's the reason why it takes so much space, because of the graphics are very rich. Okay guys, now it's time for the stunner. Okay, at the end we also check the temperature of the phone. Does it heat or warm or anything else? Okay guys, okay, that was okay guys, that's it. We ended the stage. Okay, let's play the last game of today. Okay guys, let me connect to my Wi-Fi network and play the FIFA 15. We are gaming like almost 10 minutes. The phone is not getting warm or anything. Little warm I would say, not hot or anything to worry about. Okay guys, it's FIFA. Okay guys, it's FIFA 15. Okay, let's play. Let's download the match of the week to show you the quick gameplay of this phone. Sorry, of this game in HT Series i5-26G Plus. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, we play Chelsea versus Man United. As you can see guys, pretty smooth. So guys, that's Fabregas. Sorry guys for the camera quality, I'm not using an HD camera again. As I said, just I'm recording this video on my Samsung Tab 4. It's a 3 megapixel camera, so guys you can guess the quality of the video. But
nobody can get the ball off him. Here's an opening, he's got away from them here. He's through a goal. Danger still, it's a corner. Big chance. Hit the upright, he's still in play. Fabregas, got to make better use of possession. Off for a square ball. He showed good quick feet there. Keeper carry. Now what can Chelsea make of these? They want it. That's a crack. And he was wide of the target with the header. No complaints from his teammates there. They don't mind it if you're positive and have a go.
okay guys, so far no lag or anything, as you can see by yourself also. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, I played FIFA 15, Immortals and Asphalt 8. The 3 odd games run pretty well on this HT Series i5-26G Plus. As let me remind you guys, it's an octa-core processor with 1 GB of RAM. And let's check the temperature with the help of Cooler Master. 39.2 degrees Celsius is pretty good, not even hot I would say. It's At room temperature also it's pretty warm, not hot, so it's perfect for gaming. If you're looking for a gaming phone under 10k, this is perfectly for you. So bye bye, it's Isaac, peace out, hope you enjoyed my video.